If you are someone who is interested in training, sports, fitness, and workout, then you must be knowing how important protein is for you and why it is the most important nutrient when we speak of muscle building or muscle gain. The internet is flooded with information जो convey करती हैं different tips and tricks to build muscle. Some authors would write as tips to build muscle और कुछ लिखेंगे build your triceps with this protein. There might be a possibility कि protein supplementation की बात करने वाले लोग ज़्यादा हैं than the ones who are actually consuming it. Amidst all these tips, tricks and ways, ये क्वेश्चन एड्रेस करना हमेशा रह जाता है कि प्रोटीन या प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंटेशन मसल मास में कैसे हेल्प करेगा. हाउ विल प्रोटीन पाउडर्स हेल्प यू इन बिल्डिंग मसल? ऐसा क्या मैजिक फॉर्मूला है दैट एवरीवन कीप्स टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ प्रोटीन? So hey guys, I am Dr. Nitiga, your fitness and nutrition coach from UV Fit, and today we'll be discussing with you how protein helps you in building muscle mass. First and foremost, let's talk about muscles. There are three types of muscles: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Now, if we are to talk about exercise and muscle mass, then our major focus should be only on skeletal muscles, that is your biceps, triceps, quadriceps, etc. But what is the reason for focusing on only skeletal muscles? The reason is skeletal muscles are the only adaptable tissues in the human body. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके skeletal muscles को change किया जा सकता है after continuous and carefully designed training programs. सबसे simple example है building your biceps or developing a thick pair of triceps. The question that follows are, how will you build your biceps or muscles in general? And how will protein powder help you in building muscle mass? You may be surprised to hear this, but the actual way you can build your muscle is by damaging them. Don't worry, कोई life-threatening major damage नहीं है, just small micro tears which help you in building new muscle protein. When you are involved in certain type of resistance training, small micro tears occur in your muscles, which needs to be repaired to form new muscle protein. So what is the role of protein supplementation here? Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of your body, and they are also involved in most important reactions in your body. The source of amino acids is the protein in your diet. Eggs, dairy, lean meat, fish, pulses, beans, these all are protein sources. And जब आप ये सारे protein sources खाते हो, they break down into amino acids. अब ये सारे अमीनो एसिड्स मिलकर एक न्यू प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल बनाते हैं which helps to repair the microtear जो आपके मसल्स में हुआ था during exercise. This new protein molecule increases in thickness and number to promote muscle growth. A very important factor here is that the rate of new muscle protein synthesis should be greater than the rate of muscle protein breakdown. In simple terms, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको enough amino acid चाहिए to repair the microtear plus कुछ surplus to build muscle. तभी muscle growth होगा. Technically speaking, if you don't have enough amino acids and a surplus, आपका microtear heal नहीं होगा and you will not gain any muscle. In fact, you will lose your existing muscle. Now here is where protein supplementation comes in. It will help you with the required amount of amino acids to build your muscle. एक और important बात ये है कि this adaptation does not happen when you train. In fact, it happens when you rest. Coming to the next part, how much protein do you need? The short answer is, it depends. It totally depends on your workout intensity, the frequency of your workouts, your body composition, and to some extent your age and gender too. A person who is hitting the gym for 6 months will obviously need more protein than the one who is a young and a beginner. Eating 0.8 grams of protein per kg body weight is recommended for growth and development. The recommendation increases depending upon the factors we just discussed. A beginner athlete would take around 1.2 to 1.8 grams of protein per kg body weight. For example, an athlete who weighs around 80 kg would need around 144 grams of protein per day. इसका मतलब है 24 eggs एक दिन में. क्या ये possible है? इस प्रॉब्लम को प्रोटीन पाउडर सॉल्व करते हैं. Taking 2 scoops of protein powder per day would be equal to around 50 grams of protein, and the rest 100 grams can be easily managed through food. This is why protein powders are the most convenient options when it comes to building muscle mass. However, you should not depend on them alone as they lack fiber, minerals and vitamins जो overall development में help करता है. So this is all for today. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.